doing some trim work around your house, paint job, little dings on the doors, instead of carrying around a 1 gallon bucket full of paint, grab a 1 gallon milk jug. We'll trim it down here in just a second. And I'll show you an easy way to transport your paint around as you're taking care of those little odds and ends around the house. Milk jug. You can use a marker if you want to trace out your lines on here. I'll go ahead and do that for you and show you what this thing should look like. I can do it with just a knife, but here I'll show you how I cut mine out. Just draw a line like this around the jug. Doesn't have to be exact, but you know, get as close as you can. If you're as anal as I am, you really want it to kind of match as it goes around. A little more square on this side than it is on this side, but you know, it's not the end of the world. Just an example, all right? Don't forget safety. Wear a respirator, safety glasses, and heavy-duty gloves before operating your razor knife. I'm kidding. Okay, I was joking before about the safety glasses and the gloves and the respirator and stuff, but be careful. I just put out enough blade that, you know, all you need is about this much. You don't want to cut through your finger, and then it's not a difficult task. You can use scissors if you want, but I prefer a razor knife. Just trace along your line. This is kind of hasty, but again, it's not a tough project. I'll speed this up so you don't have to watch me going through this process. I used red ink in case I slip and cut my fingers. You'll never know. Well, yeah, you will, because you'll hear me cuss. But just trim along this line. Pretty close. Off a little bit right there, not a big deal. So, now, don't throw this part away. This is awesome. If you use this as a scoop to scoop your paint out of the jug, you can fold it over, whatever you want to do, just enough to keep pouring it into your container. It's got some water in here, but works very well. Again, get your scoop of paint or 2 or 3 out of the gallon jug, pour it in here, grab your paintbrush, dip it in here, use the edge to scrape it off, and go to town. Anyhow, just a simple daily helper. It's just a milk jug. I know it seems crazy. You can go buy your own little containers at Lowe's, but if you're frugal like me, these are free. Well, after you're done drinking the contents, orange juice, milk, whatever, and make yourself a paint holder. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. That's my 2 cents. And I saved a few by not buying a product that I didn't need. I just made it. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want. If not, again, don't. Thanks. Milk jug.